Here at Haug, Farrar, and Franco, we're often asked to consider and evaluate the merits of a nursing home claim. Nursing home, convalescent home, rest home, or long-term care facility, all of these can be held legally responsible, meaning that a personal injury or medical malpractice lawsuit can be filed whenever an act of negligence, neglect, or abuse on the premises ends up causing harm to a patient or resident. There are countless accidents, intentional acts, and failures to act that may leave a nursing home or other care facility on the legal hook for injuries or preventable health problems, either based on the conduct of an employee or based on a policy or ongoing practice at the facility. Here are a few examples. Failure to keep premises reasonably safe and free of hazards. Negligent hiring of an employee who ends up neglecting, abusing, or otherwise harming a patient. The failure to properly train and supervise employees may also come into play. Negligent supervision of residents who then fall or otherwise injure themselves or others. Failure to maintain adequate health and safety policies, including keeping clean and sanitary conditions in resident rooms and in common areas. Failure to provide adequate medical treatment that is in line with the applicable medical standard of care under the circumstances. Neglect of a resident could lead to a number of safety and/or medical issues, including bed sores, bruises, broken bones, and worse. We recently handled a case by way of an example where a long-term care facility failed to protect and secure an elderly patient prior to transferring her from a bed to a chair. This caused her to fall and suffer very serious injuries. After obtaining all of the medical records and filing suit, we were able to resolve the case very favorably for the client and her family. And just as importantly, we were able to make sure that safeguards were put in place in this facility to help ensure that this type of lack of care did not happen to other patients. If you suspect that you or a loved one has been the victim of nursing home abuse or neglect, please give us a call at Haug, Farrar, and Franco so we can evaluate the facts of your situation and see how we may be able to help.